In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your background in Microsoft Teams, a demo tutorial. Let's get started by opening Microsoft Teams on your computer. You can use the desktop app or the web version. Either one works the same for this. Make sure you're signed in and give the app a moment to load your workspace so all the meeting features are available. On the left-hand sidebar, click on Meet. This takes you to the quick meeting area where you can hop into a call right away. Depending on your layout, this space might look a little different, but the Meet option leads you to the same place where you can set up your camera and background before you enter a call. Next, click Join. This opens the pre-join screen, which is your staging area. Think of it as a safe place to check your video, audio, and background before anyone else sees you. It's helpful to pause here for a second so you can get everything looking exactly how you want. Now, click the camera icon to enable your video. If your camera is off, you won't be able to preview or apply a background. Once the camera is in, you should see a live preview of yourself. If the image looks too dark or washed out, try facing a window or turning on a soft light in front of you for a clearer picture. With the preview active, click Background Filters. This opens the tools that let you blur your background or replace it with an image. Background filters are great for privacy, minimizing distractions, or keeping things professional if your space isn't camera ready. Then, click Background Settings. This expands the full panel of options so you can see everything available. You'll notice a range of built-in choices, typically including light and heavy blur, along with a gallery of images. The panel updates your preview in real time, so you can quickly compare how each option looks. Finally, select a background. Click through a few to see what matches your tone. Subtle blurs are perfect for a professional look, while simple office or abstract images keep the focus on you. Avoid overly busy patterns and aim for good contrast with your clothing so you stand out. If your device is older or you notice lag, choose a lighter effect like standard blur for smoother performance. Once you've picked a background, the preview should look polished and consistent. Your choice will usually stay set for future meetings, so you won't need to repeat these steps every time. That's it. You've opened Teams, gone to Meet, joined the pre-join screen, enabled your camera, opened background filters and background settings, and selected a background that works for you. You're all set for a clean, distraction-free appearance in your next call.